Hey guys, today, hey guys, today we're playing Beast Wars Simulator. Yeah, first time playing it. Um, where's the menu? This, uh, trying. Yeah, red, rare. Okay. Um, well, okay. Okay, red beer. No, wait, no, this is mine. Red B. Where do we go next? Um, what's this? Okay, this. Yay, grass. Yay, grass. Oh, B. You're so dumb. Just kidding. Where's your stingy? Okay. Oh, look at my pollen bar thingy. Okay, it's going up. Um, yay. I don't know what to do. Okay. Pollen container fall. Go to the hive, make honey. Oh boy, I like making honey. Yeah. Oh, I have to wait. Okay, I'm done. Yay. Um, uh, collect more. What was that? Yay. Thanks a lot. I didn't see your name there. Yay, thanks a lot. Yay, yeah, that is great start. Got funny red man. Funny red man. Ice. What's flower? I wanna smack you. Yeah. Okay, let's go. It's full. I know. Can I jump? Yes, I can jump. Okay. Submarine honey. Okay, let's just be a take a bubble. Okay. Uh, what's this? I wanna be, ready. Um, oh, here's the bee I got. Uh, let's go. Let's go, pollen. Why do I feel like, why do I sound like I want to sleep instead of playing? Yeah. Uh, I slapped you with my thingy that used to build walls. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Yeah. I don't feel excited at all. Okay, and then again, I'm gonna see what do I have to do. Okay. I don't know what to do. Um, shop. Ah, I need Robux. That's so many. Batch. Yes. I have scattered one types of bees. Okay, so I need more bees. Okay. No quest. Okay, I got no quest. Okay. Crazy up. Farm with the eat. Tapping honey. Yeah. 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 Eat. Maybe two. Level up. Okay, I leveled my red man. Okay, why am I walking so slowly? What is this? Yeah. Okay, uh, you know what, I'm just gonna explore the map. Let's go to this ladder. Ouch. Oh wow. Okay, that place is dangerous. Okay, so I must not go here. I will not go there. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. I lost. Oh, there's my awesome looking house. What is that blue thingy? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I'll just explore. What's this? Ooh, what's this? What's this? Found three microconverters. What's this? Talk to black bear. Every year, us bear are that kind of powerful. I didn't read. Okay, that's funny. Okay, so what do I do? What do I do? Frankly, uninspired. Okay, okay, uninspired. What do I do? Maybe it's just gonna sleep. Okay, I guess I'll do this by myself then. Okay, yay. Okay, there's a random guy here. Yay, hey honey. Okay, let's go. Where's Black Bear told me to go to the sunflower field. Where's the sunflower field? Let's go up there. Jump. Yeah. Yay. Okay. Do I grab this sunflower? Can I cut you in half? I wanna cut you in half. Ooh, what's that? It disappeared. What's this? It's nothing. Ouch, my ears. Okay, just get out. This please. Okay. Stupid bear. Stop waving at me. I hate you already. What's this? 200 honey. It's not one I wanted. I want free pizza for life. Make honey. Yeah. What? That's normal. Hey, Rebby, I have some important message to tell you. I'm leaving you forever after this video's 10 minutes. Let's just have some final moments together before I say goodbye to you forever. Yeah. Oh 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 yeah. Yay. Let's do our final dance. Before we don't have much time, but goodbye, B. This is my final message to you. I hate you so much that I want to kill.